Okay, we're gonna tangle this seed tangle. I'm gonna use the Grabby multi-liner. It's a set of 20. I'm gonna start with the O2, but here's just a regular pencil. I'm using a regular piece of paper, whatever paper I find on sale. I put a dot in the center, above, below, to the right and to the left, and then in between each of those. So there's 8 dots all the way around a center dot. You can barely see them. I'm going to connect them a little bit with pencil, but you're still, unless you're doing it yourself on your own piece of paper, only you're going to see them. And I want you to get not so caught up on this. I want you to enjoy what we're doing. So you can see this is what this looks like. I'm going to take the O2 Grabby. These multi-liners are waterproof, which I love. And I'm going to draw a little seed or a pea pod shape. And I'm drawing it right over where that pencil line is, in between two of the dots that we've drawn. And I'm going to do that all the way around. So there's going to end up being 8 seeds. Don't overthink the seeds. Don't overthink what you've drawn. We're going to change this numerous times. Just breathe, enjoy it. You're going to re-ink the pea pods if you want to, or the seeds, whatever you're going to call them. Just breathe and enjoy this process. This is about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle's a bonus at the end. I see people copy and replicate my videos all the time for business purposes, which is not okay. I want you to do them for yourself and enjoy the process for yourself. And just enjoy what you're doing. And more importantly, let your mind relax. Let your mind take a break. So we're going to connect these seeds together. And what we're going to do is we're going to start at the end of one and come up and over the one behind it and stop. Now the next one, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go up and over and we're going to stop at the first line. Now we couldn't do it with the first one because there wasn't a line yet, but you're going to do this all the way around. Light with the pen, light with the pressure. We're not going to bite the inside of the cheek or clench the jaw. We're going to do this all the way around. And we're just going to go to the end of this seed and come all the way around. And you can see where it ends is kind of where the seed before it begins. So see how it ends? And it looks like it's going to go right into that prior seed space or pea pod. And just keep doing this. Just make sure that you're breathing. The more you focus on how relaxed you are and what you can do to be relaxed and not expect for perfection, the better this will turn out. So just breathe. So if you want to re-ink the pods at this point, you can, or the seeds, whatever makes you happy. But now we're going to go to the inside. So you're going to pick anywhere, take one of the ends of the seeds, and you're going to bring a beautiful curved line, but you're going to stop short the first one because this next one is going to be able to land on the one before it. Okay. And so we're just really connecting these, letting it be, it's similar to quite a few of the Zen tangles that I've done. And because we did something similar to this live several years ago. So all the way around, and then once you get to that first one that we did right here, just go ahead and draw it normal and then bring that original line down. Now all we're going to do is aura. And aura is just, if you think about the aura of energy around your body, it's kind of an outline of your body and energy. We're outlining exactly what was before it. So as you can see, it's these curved lines, and all we're doing is repeating that, which is an aura. So if you want to know what aura in the Zentangle method is, that is my best explanation without getting confusing. And all we're doing is auraing over and over and over again to the center, and it will get smaller as it continues to go. So what I tend to do when I have a set like this Grabby set that I have that has so many different size pens, right now I have a 2. I'll probably, I know later on in this one I changed to an 01. So right now I'm an 02. I'll change to an 01. And if it really gets even smaller, Sometimes I'll change to an 005, which is 0.005. But play with it. It doesn't matter what size pen you're using. It doesn't matter what pen you're using at all, paper, any of that. It's just my number one question asked is, what pens do you do? How do I get them? And this Grabby set that just came out is the first pen set that I've seen that had color with it. It's waterproof. It's a great price point. So it's all the things that I've been looking for 10 years when it comes to a pen set. So right now you're just going to enjoy the plant wave music. That's the music in the background. I hook it up to a plant and my plants play music. So enjoy that. And I'm just going to let you watch. I'm not going to speed this up. I'm going to let it go in real time. And the reason I do this in real time today is because my ADHD, when I watch videos and the person of the video I'm watching, like for example, I like to crochet. And sometimes I have to watch a video understanding how the next part of the crochet works. But when they do it fast, I get a little upset because I feel like I need to be caught up all the time. So I'll have to pause the video so that I can be caught up, and I don't want you to have to do that. So this is just real time. If you want to fast forward it, you can, but I'm just going to leave it as is for now. So enjoy the plant wave music, and if you want to try one for yourself, there's a link in the link tree for that as well. And one of my other number one things that I love, well, there's two. One is my grounding mat. If you don't understand grounding or what grounding is, that is a huge part of my everyday life. Sorry, my allergies, it just got done storming and then we had a blizzard and it's going to storm again. So a grounding mat, I have many videos about this grounding mat, and they actually made a video about this that you can watch on YouTube. And remember, all my longer videos, and I have full classes, are here on YouTube, and I also have a membership. So if you want to see the shading, if you want to see the extra bonus content, become a member here on my YouTube, and you'll be able to get all of that. So this is what I did shading. So the bonus content for that shading will be a membership video. And, check out the Grabby and all their other products. I love their watercolors. I love their acrylic pens, their acrylic glitter pens. I use so many of their products and I have not been disappointed, or I wouldn't talk about them. So check them all out in my link tree. Please be sure to like this video, give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.